Hi, ni hao, I'm Chef Tom. I have a special request. Can we use pan-seared duck for Peking duck? The answer is yes. Because the Peking duck at the restaurant take 2-3 days to make it. Too much process. So here I got cast iron. I'm gonna add some spice in. Some black pepper. Very low heat. And some kosher salt. Like that. And then I have beautiful duck breast. I use the dry towel to pat it dry, make sure there's no water. Okay? We're just very low heat to render the fat for 15 to 20 minutes. And some people like to scald duck skin, easier to render. That's fine too. It's a beautiful duck breast. And then all you have to do is just get like green onion, hoisin sauce, and the tortilla crepes. So after the duck done, you cut it into a little slice, little strip, and wrap with the tortilla with some hoisin sauce and green onion. That's your Peking duck. That'll be the easier way to make it at home. So I'm thinking about something else here. I'm gonna render the fat for 15 to 20 minutes. Then I'm gonna use the fat to cook some potatoes, right? That'd be great. Or fried egg, or saute zucchini and carrot. Those are really good dishes. And if you want to make with some like blackberry wine reduction, you know, go right ahead. We just like 1 cup of wine, good wine, red wine, 1 cup of the stock, and then you know, 1 cup, half cup the blackberry or anything. Just stir into a medium heat, bring up to like a simmer, and let them reduce down. Maybe 15-20 minutes. You got a nice sauce to pour over the duck. The next thing, I preheat my oven to 200. I'm gonna sear the duck, nice color, and then I'm gonna put into my preheat 400 oven just to warm up for maybe 7-8 minutes, just to make sure the temperature inside the duck meat is like 128 to 130 degrees, so it'll give you a nice and tenderness. Not touching it, just let them cook. You hear the sizzle sounds? Beautiful. Here I got some Yukon Gold potatoes. I cut into like maybe 1/2 inches thick. I just cold water, a pinch of salt, and let them cook to 15 minutes until tender. And then we're gonna drain it out. And we're gonna fry it with that duck fat. It's gonna be so delicious. Halfway there, before I flip the duck, you start to see some of the duck fat render out. Those are good oil to cook. Let's see. That's what they look like. But we want the skin a little more crispy. I have a very wonderful neighbor. I'm gonna bring some of this. They love duck to next door. I'm gonna have my son bring it later. So now the potatoes cooking good. 5 more minutes. I'm gonna turn off the potatoes. And this, no rush. Gotta be patient. If you start to turn the heat higher, the skin will get really crispy, really brown quick, but in between the layer of the fat, still not have enough time to render it out. So this is good. You see, it's very lean meat. They have a really nice flavor. If you know who I'm talking about, if you love duck meat, so delicious. And you can use this for Peking duck, any kind of, you know, duck sandwiches, anything, salad, stuff like that. Okay. Looking good. I think the potato is done. I use a knife. Poke into it. Yep. It go through. And then don't forget, we're gonna, that's how thick I cut. See? Oh, don't forget, later we're gonna fry this into the duck oil and make it more flavor. I can turn this off now. Okay, I drained the potato out. Let's see the duck. Looking good. We give them a flip. I'm gonna cook the meat just same temperature, low, for 7 to 8 minutes. And then I'm gonna put this beautiful duck into the oven to finish cooking. And I got this thermometer. Later I put in the oven. I'm gonna insert into the meat until the meat temperature rise up to 128. I'm gonna take it out, let it rest for 15 minutes, and we're ready to cut and see how the meat look like. Okay, now the meat in the middle, the temperature is 116. I'm gonna take it the whole thing in the oven. I preheat the oven to 400. I'm gonna continue monitor, make sure the temperature get up to 128. I take it out. The duck looks great. Take it out. Let the duck meat rest. And here, the good oil. And then we're gonna put the potatoes. Just give them a quick fry, few minutes on each side. I can turn the fire back on a little bit. It will get hot really fast. Look at that. Oh boy. Perfect. One more. Come on. Beauty. This side, we're just gonna make one more extra piece. Just put it right here. Don't throw it away. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt. The oil already has some salt, spice, and the black pepper, but I'm gonna do a little salt here, a little ground pepper. The heat starts getting hotter now. And then I got some rosemary. Just go right in. Get a little more flavor. Very good rosemary. Yeah? Let's put a more flavor. Yep, that's good. Start frying now. Shake a little bit. Oh yeah. Few minutes on each side. That's it. Beautiful. This is good enough. We don't want over fry. Potatoes already cooked. We just want them to have a nice flavor. Oh yeah, beautiful. Good enough. Get a paper towel on the tray and take out one by one. Turn the fire off. And this oil is still good to fry egg tomorrow for breakfast. Yeah? Okay, look at how beautiful the duck is. This is going to be for my next door. And here we go. Maybe one more for him. Yeah. And then I pinch a little salt. Okay. A little salt. And then I pinch a little black pepper. Right. I might get a little bit of this rosemary duck fat. Just a little bit, not much. Okay. Just a little oil right here, not too much. Get that more flavor, you know? Right? And then put some hoisin sauce. Just the hoisin sauce. Parker! Yeah. Can you help me please? Will you get this for Bill? Here we go. Look at this. Huh? Easy. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye. Okay, take this to him.